When you click on the link, you should get to this address, express.adobe.com, and you should see this main screen. To get here, you may have needed to click through a bunch of stuff, including logging in with your Google account, identifying that you're a student. So once you click through all that junk, you will arrive at this screen and you won't have to do any of that stuff again. Once you're here, click on the plus sign, and way down at the bottom of the left column, you see there's a video button. If you like this tool, I encourage you to come back and check out a lot of these other options. This is a huge resource, and you can make a bunch of very cool stuff in here. Video will show you some of the things, but the rest of this is actually pretty good if you ever do need to make a web page or create a flyer. This is a great tool, and it's almost entirely free. So for now, sorry for the sales pitch, but I'll click on video. You can start typing here, or you can just skip this. These templates are great if you do have a specific goal that matches up with one of them. So if you're going to tell a hero's journey story, this is a great template to do that. But our assignment is super straightforward, so we can just start from scratch or make up your own. If you did choose a template, basically what would happen is when you arrive on this main screen, instead of just having one blank slide, there would be a bunch of slides here, each one having ideas for how to do that hero's journey, for instance. But of course, like I said, we don't need that. So we're just going to work on the first slide. You can see that you could import videos. Again, we don't need that for this project, but it's there. You can add text, photos. Photos, what we're going to focus on right now. So I'm going to just bring in my first photo. You should try the find free photos first. If there's not anything there that you want, you can always do some searching, download some photos, and then upload them here. But I'm just going to do the find free ones and do a quick search. Of course, I'm just going to choose a random topic and grab the first photo. Um, and now you can see I have my photo there. The nice thing about using their photos is you can see they're all sized correctly. So all of the photos that you find in the app will be the right size and shape. You won't have those like black or white bars anywhere. So this is kind of nice. Um, Once you get your image there, you have lots of options. You can add text, you can do your voiceover recording, and I'll show you both of those things. Or you can just keep going to the next slide and adding more stuff. But to go back here, I'm going to hit the plus symbol, add some text. Of course, you're not going to use that as your title, but I just want to show you how it works. So now I'm going to also narrate over this slide. This is a photo of a humongous elephant. Now, when I play this back, I don't know if you'll be able to hear my audio, but it will be playing. This is a photo of a humongous elephant. So you see that you saw the text come in, kind of a slick way that they work all of their features. I'm not sure again if you could hear my voice, but it played correctly. And now, if you're ready to move on to your next slide, you can. All of these options you can kind of try out. You can put in text as a caption. You can. This is almost like Google Slides or PowerPoint, where you can arrange this however you want, but you can use as many or as few options of these as you like. And then you can just keep moving through. Once you finish, you'll want to go to the share button, publish, and when you publish, when you get to the end of all these steps, you can see there's a create link button, and the link that you get eventually from here will be the one that you share back to me in the assignment. Good luck. If you have questions, of course, be in touch.